I'd like to demonstrate to you now is how to use the symbol tool. It's really a lot of fun. You'll find it nested over here on the left. It should show you a spray can with some dots outside of it. If not, it might show one of the other items, but it's okay. Go up to the symbol sprayer tool, then come over to your symbol library. This is typically what's in the default for that, but we're going to pick something fun. Let's go under the drop down to Open Symbol Library, down to Nature, and let's pick the fly. So now if I open up my symbol library, you can see the fly is in here. So now go back to your sprayer tool. You can double click on it, change the diameter to maybe a 1.25. Say OK. Now I'm going to spray this all over the place, all over my page. Okay, now that I have that, I can click and hold and go down to the symbol shifter tool. What that does is if you look at the lines, it will show you how I'm pulling it in from the edge and moving items around. Pretty neat. So after you spray this on, if you don't like where things are arranged, you can change it. Now let's go down to the symbol scruncher tool. That's pretty neat. It allows you to pull in so there's tighter areas, so you can pull your flies together by just clicking on here. Okay. Now let's go down to the symbol sizer tool. Love this tool. You can make some of these flies super big. You can do as many as you want. Let's do one more spot over here. Okay, so now that we have that, you can go under your symbol tool and let's go down to the spinner tool. And that does what it sounds like. If you look at the arrows, you can see that I'm turning my flies in a variety of different directions, because obviously flies aren't that organized. They're not going to fly in the same direction. Isn't that fun? Then let's go check out the symbol stainer tool. And for that, you can see your fill color is a question mark. Let's go pick a blue. So if I click on these, you can see the more times I click, the darker blue it gets. Let's pick green. Let's pick a yellow. Pretty fun. Now let's go under the symbol screener tool. What that does, if you click on them, you can see that it lightens them up so they seem to be further away or in the distance. You can click on this and define how much intensity you want on it as well, and the size. But for now, you can just leave it for default. And there's one more tool here, the symbol styler tool, but you need to have, if you click on it, you'll see you need to have a graphic style set first in the panel. And we're not going to go that far with this project today. But have fun and make your massive flies.